Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a custom shirt to Roblox, even if you're using a free design from Custom Use. Let's get started. Once you've created a design you're happy with in Custom Use, the first step is to download it. Click on Export in the editor, then hit Download. Wait for the download to complete. You'll get a PNG file that you'll need to upload to Roblox. You can also choose to publish your design on the Custom Use platform. Add a name and a detailed description to make it more discoverable to the community. Now that you have your PNG file, it's time to bring it into the Roblox universe. Go to the Roblox website, click the Create tab at the top, then select Avatar. Items from there, click the Classics tab. Here. Choose Shirt if you're uploading a shirt design, or Pants if it's a pants file. Then click Upload Asset. Give your item a name and a short description. This helps other users understand your style and gives context to your design. Important note, uploading a shirt or pants costs 10 Robux. T-shirts are free to upload but will still cost 10 Robux if you want to sell them on the marketplace. What's the difference between a shirt and a t-shirt? A shirt wraps around the entire avatar torso, which gives you full control over how your design looks from every angle. A t-shirt is just a flat image applied to the front of the torso, usually in 512 by 512 resolution. So if you want something that wraps around or looks more premium, definitely go with a full shirt, and that's it. You've now uploaded your custom Roblox shirt, and it's ready to wear or even sell. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. With your Roblox username, I'd love to check out your designs. Catch you in the next video.